Types of alcohol in hotel industry. Alcohol. Alcohol is a drink that contains the recreational drug ethanol, a type of alcohol produced by fermentation of grains, fruits, or other sources of sugar. Methanol. Methanol is a component in fuel for cars and boats. It is also used to manufacture antifreeze, paint remover, windshield wiper fluid, and many other products. Isopropanol. Isopropanol is the chemical name for rubbing alcohol, which we use for cleaning and disinfecting. Ethanol. Ethanol is the only type of alcohol that human can consume, and this type of alcohol is produced by the fermentation of yeast, sugars, and starches. Undistilled alcohol. Undistilled drinks are called fermented drinks. Fermentation is the process by which bacteria or yeast chemically converts sugar into ethanol. Wine and beer are both fermented. Beer. Beer is brewed from grains most commonly from malted barley, though wheat, corn, and rice are also used. During the brewing process, fermentation of the starch sugars in the wort produces ethanol and carbonation in the resulting beer. Wine. Wine is an alcoholic drink typically made from fermented grapes. Yeast consumes the sugar in the grapes and converts it to ethanol, carbon dioxide, and heat. Different varieties of grapes and strains of yeasts produce different styles of wine. Cider. Cider is an alcoholic beverage made from the fermented juice of apples. Sake. Sake is a well-known Japanese drink made from fermented rice. Distilled. Distillation is a process which follows fermentation. The process converts a fermented substance into one with an even higher concentration of alcohol. Distillation concentrates alcohol by separating it from the water and other components of a fermented substance. Liquors and spirits are distilled alcoholic beverages. They contain more alcohol by volume than undistilled drinks. Gin. Gin is a distilled alcoholic drink that derives its predominant flavor from juniper berries. After juniper, gin tends to be flavored with botanical herbal, spice, floral or fruit flavors, or often a combination. Brandy. Brandy is a spirit produced by distilling wine and is typically drunk as an after-dinner digestive. Some brandies are aged in wooden casks. Others are colored with caramel coloring to imitate the effect of aging, and some are produced using a combination of both aging and coloring. Whiskey. Whiskey is a type of distilled alcoholic beverage made from fermented grain mash. Various grains which may be malted are used for different varieties, including barley, corn, rye, and wheat. Rum. Rum is a distilled alcoholic spirit made by fermenting, then distilling sugarcane molasses or sugarcane juice. The distillate, a clear liquid, is usually aged in oak barrels. Tequila. Tequila is a distilled beverage that is made from the fermentation of the sugars found from the blue agave plant once it has been cooked, the main sugar being fructose. Vodka. Vodka is traditionally made by distilling the liquid from potatoes or cereal grains that have been fermented, though some modern brands use fruits or sugar as the base. Absinthe. Absinthe is a spirit made from a variety of leaves and herbs. There is no evidence for the idea that absinthe is a hallucinogen, but it does have a high alcohol concentration. Everclear. Everclear, a grain-based spirit, is another drink with a heavy alcohol concentration.